Choosing a skateboard can be an overwhelming task for beginners, with so many different shapes, sizes, and components to consider. Whether you're looking to cruise around town, hit the skate park, or learn some tricks, selecting the right board is essential to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. When choosing a skateboard, it's important to consider factors such as deck width, length, and concave, truck height and width, wheel size and hardness, and bearings. Additionally, considering your skill level, riding style, and personal preferences can help narrow down your options and make the selection process less daunting. This guide will provide an overview of the key factors to consider when choosing a skateboard to help you make an informed decision. Here are some tips to help you make an informed decision. Determine your riding style. Skateboards come in different shapes and sizes, depending on your preferred riding style. Are you interested in cruising around town or riding vert ramps? Maybe you want to focus on doing tricks in a skate park. Knowing your preferred style of riding can help you narrow down your options. Consider the deck size. The deck size is an essential factor to consider when choosing a skateboard. The size you choose should be based on your height and shoe size. The width of the deck typically ranges from 7.5 inches to 8.5 inches, with larger sizes being more suitable for riders with bigger feet or those looking for more stability. Look at the trucks. The trucks are the metal parts that connect the deck to the wheels. They come in different sizes and materials, which can affect the stability and turning ability of your skateboard. Make sure you choose trucks that match the size of your deck. Check the wheels. Skateboard wheels come in different sizes and hardness levels. Smaller wheels are better for tricks, while larger wheels are better for cruising. Harder wheels offer more speed and are better for smooth surfaces, while softer wheels are better for rough surfaces and offer more grip. Consider the bearings. The bearings are the small metal balls that allow the wheels to rotate. Higher quality bearings will provide a smoother ride and faster speed. Choose a design. Lastly, choose a design that speaks to your personal style. Skateboard decks come in a variety of designs, ranging from plain colors to unique graphics and patterns. How to choose a skateboard deck? Choosing the right skateboard deck is crucial to your overall riding experience, as it serves as the foundation of your setup. Skateboard decks come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, making it important to consider factors such as width, length, concave, and construction. This guide will provide an overview of the key factors to consider when choosing a skateboard deck, helping you select the perfect one for your needs and preferences. How to choose skateboard trucks. When choosing skateboard trucks, consider factors such as the size and shape of the trucks, the type of riding you plan to do, and your personal preferences. Look for trucks that are compatible with your skateboard deck size and provide the stability and maneuverability you need. Don't forget to also consider the brand and price range that fits your budget. What size skateboard do I need? Choosing the right size skateboard can greatly impact your overall skateboarding experience, especially when it comes to stability, control, and maneuverability. Generally, skateboard sizes are determined by the width of the board, which ranges from 7.5 inches to 8.5 inches or even wider. When choosing the right size skateboard, it's important to consider your height, weight, and shoe size, as well as your skateboarding style and preferences. If you're a beginner or looking for a board for street skating, a narrower board in the range of 7.5 to 8 inches may be suitable. For those who prefer to skate vert or bowl, a wider board in the range of 8 to 8.5 inches may be more appropriate for stability and control. Ultimately, the best way to determine the right skateboard size for you is to try out different sizes and see which one feels most comfortable and suitable for your skating style. Consider visiting a local skate shop to receive expert advice and try out various boards before making a purchase. Thanks for watching this video on how to choose a skateboard. Remember that selecting the right skateboard for your needs is essential for an enjoyable and safe riding experience. Be sure to consider factors such as deck size, truck width, wheel size, and riding style before making your purchase. Don't forget to also invest in protective gear like helmets and pads to keep yourself safe while riding. And if you have any questions or tips on choosing a skateboard, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skateboarding content.